I'll do. Not been on for a while. Basically because I've no money to buy stuff to do. Simple. Right, but when I got the van off Terry, you got a new vent for the, I think it's the cook event, yeah. But it didn't come with the holes. All I basically done is just drilled them and then countersunk them slightly. What I'm going to use is awning rails. Also, I've no sika flex or anything like that. So what I'm going to be using again is Plumber's Mate. This is the vent. Look, it's knackered in it. You know what I mean? So, well, very pretty. Along with my other white ones, which I haven't finished. Yeah, the reason for this is I put some mesh on the inside, and what I did, I put it on the walls so it's not seating right. So I'm going to have to take them out and redo them, but I'm going to do these with sika. Man, you haven't said that. Man, you haven't known enough Plumbers Mates. Anyway, so I'm getting on with this. Right, so I've just unscrewed all this. It should just pop out. As I say, it should. They never do though, do they? Oh, but this is. It's coming out very, very nicely. In case just clean it all up then after and there. Horrible, isn't it? I'm just hoping that the other one goes in. I'm going to have to try it, aren't I? It might not even go in. No, it's way too big. Yeah, it's just too big. So what I might have to do, well, I know what I'm going to have to do, is mark it up, and because obviously this recess here, that's got to be recessed. So what I'll do, I'll put some like this. Somebody's already used it. Just go like that, and then when I put it in, mark it up and cut it, because I can. So you've done, you just got some Plumber's Mate or whatever you want to use with it. It's just me, this, it's just for simplification. Ooh, that's a big word, isn't it, for me? Simplification. Word of the day. Right, and then basically get your vent and line it up best you can, which is more difficult with camera than what it is without. That's alright, isn't it? Yeah, I'm happy with that. Are you happy? Right, and then simply push, give it a bit of a twiddle. There, all marked up for cutting. Right, I'm going to get me multi-tool out. Yeah. Oh look, I can see inside. Can you see inside? Hello. Right, what I did, just put some gunge at back, screwed it up, and that's it. Cool. Okay, so I'll just trim it off like that. There you go, nice and tidy. Hold on, well, actually I have to come out, I forgot to do the ending. I've also tidied them up, you know, for when people are at the back of me. Yeah, newness. Oh, see my mesh with some gunge holding it in. But yeah, that's how you put a vent in, easy.